dear students, we will focus on one of the content of this subject element, that is desert animals. Desert animals. Anybody among you will say something about desert animals? Anybody among you? You can say whatever you know. What is desert? I mean to say the kind of conditions, circumstances that are in that particular habitat. Something that is there. Are you aware? See, as you know, desert animals are actually, these animals are that have adapted to live in the desert. Okay? They have adapted to live in the desert, and the conditions that are in desert, such places, is actually different from other habitats. Okay? Okay. Like you know, there is extreme heat and cold. There is extreme heat and, or we can say a little water is there. Okay? They have different, the animals that are in that very particular desert, they have different characteristics as other animals live in other habitats. Okay? Okay? You know, desert animals, dear students, you know, this desert is being taken from zero pole. Okay? Zero pole. And the Greek word zeros means dry. It means dry. It's generally been just the Greek word zeros means dry, and the Latin word cold. There are two words. One is zero, second one is cold. It's a Greek word. This zero is Greek word. Zeros is Greek word. It is simply dry. It is dry. And cold, okay, is a Latin word. It means inhabitant. So dry but inhabitant. The animals that are living in this particular desert actually they are the dry inhabitants. Okay? Okay. So dear students, these are the actually deserts are the driest place on earth, as you know. Is the driest place on earth. Sometimes go for months or even years without rain, but even the desert animals cannot survive without water. Okay? Okay? Or for long periods in the scorching sun, so they have had to find different ways of coping with the harsh conditions. Okay? So when we talk of desert animals, or you must be aware there are some harsh conditions. There is heat and cold, that's extreme. Okay? As compared to other habitats, the conditions are totally different. Conditions are totally different. We are living in a moderate atmosphere or moderate environment. If you talk of this place, for example, we are living in a place, it's moderate. Neither it is too hot, neither it is too cold. It is moderate. Okay? Okay? So we are living in we have privilege of different things. For example, we have water is available. What I mean to say, the seasonal changes that are here, they are moderate, they are not so harsh. Okay? Similarly, we have our adaptation. We are living in a habitat. The adaptation is simply we have so many alternatives and privileges that it's not harsh. We can't say it is harsh and extreme cold is there. Is simply moderate, neither too cold and neither too hot. But when we talk of desert animals, or if we talk of this place, this habitat, it's being characterized as the place that has extreme heat and cold. Okay? Okay? You got it? You got it? For example, you know, there are more than, if we see the source of this particular content, is just delineating it's delineating some kind of knowledgeable fact that there are more than 2,300 different kinds of snakes around the world. Okay? Ranging from just 15 centimeters long to more than 11 meters. Most snakes are quite harmless. Okay? But there are a few that are so poisonous they can kill a human being with just one bite. Okay? Most snakes lay eggs, but there are many which give birth to their young in the dry, rocky deserts of America. Live is a rather evil-looking snake with a very bad reputation in frightening. Rattle can be heard as far as 30 meters away, and it can strike with lightning speed. Look, dear students. It's just a kind of information that some snakes are they are biting and it's just dangerous. It is awful. Okay, it can harm a person. Okay, but some there are maximum, or we can say the most of the snakes they are harmless. It's just some are dangerous. For example, adler is there. One of the snake that has poison. Okay, or some other snakes are in desert. This particular area, this particular habitat that can damage the human being, or they are poisonous. They can harm the human being as well. Okay, okay, you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So, dear students, you can say we can talk of some animals like mongoose like a hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous predators nearby, poking their noses into holes. Okay, overturning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, banded mongoose are very amusing animals to watch. A common sight in many parts of Africa. They travel in groups of about 20 to 40 for beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. We can say, dear students, if we talk of these desert animals, there, as I just delineate or express in front of you that about that the characteristics, the features that are there in desert animals, they are totally different as compared to other animals that are in other habitats. Why? Because of the harsh conditions, this environment, the seasons, the kind of feeling that is there. It's totally different. That is why they are adopted there. Such kind of animals are adopted there because they had the characteristics, they had some features, they had some kind of what I mean to say. They had some kind of this physical structure and the adoptive structure, like they are very easily adopted in that very particular, because they are made for that. They have been already with good characteristics. They are already been with good kind of conditions that they had the power to face the challenges that are in desert. This very particular habitat. Okay. That is why features are totally different. Like animals are there. If we talk of plants. If we talk of so many organisms are there, but the characteristics are totally different. Okay? Yes, characteristics are totally different. This content is actually is just delineating the idea. It just giving us the idea about their characteristics. It talks about some what I mean to say the features of these desert animals. This content is always talking about their adaptive structure, or we can say their conditions. What kind of harsh and extreme conditions are there? They are just facing, but are totally different because we are living in moderate atmosphere, we are living in moderate temperature, or some other. Okay, there are some habitats. There is too cold, neither is too hot. It is simply moderate. But if we talk of desert, it is totally the things that are there. They are facing so many challenges. Okay. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So, dear students, one more thing that mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes. Okay, without getting hurt themselves. Okay, these mongooses are killing snakes. Okay, without harming themselves. Their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. They have the power to dodge, and they have the power to attack any snake, and can be very, they are dangerous for those snakes. Okay, because mongooses are powerful there. Okay, they continually make a nuisance of themselves until after a while, when the snake gets tired, they quickly drive in for the kill. Obviously, when the conditions are harsh, the things are harsh, the season is totally different. When snakes, they are tired, the mongooses are generally attacking them. Okay, they are attacking them and killing these animals there. It's basically just describing and delineating in this context the characteristics of what kind of just environment, season, the kind of features, the kind of this environment is prevailing in these deserts is being just delineated in this chapter thoroughly. Okay, so dear students, there are two different kinds of camel. One known as the this dromedary has only a single hump. Okay, dromedary type of camel has only single hump. Okay, the other is called a bacterian camel and has two humps. Okay,
sure.
Bacterian camel has two humps. So two humps. Look like this. Look this. This is the. This one is bacterian camel. You can see. Look at this. This is the bacterian camel. One who is dromedary type. that camel has only one hump, two humps, one hump and two hump. This is bacterian camel. It is bacterian camel. Okay, you got it? You got it, dear students?
Yes.
So there is one more information here. That is like mongoose like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous predators nearby. Okay. Similarly, all the female mongooses, okay, they have their kitten at about the same time. They are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old termite mound or hollow log. When most of the adults are out looking for food, one or two males stay behind to stand guard until the others return for the night. So it's simply a discipline. Like they are watching others, they are hiding themselves, and sometimes there are some guards as well. Who are just when others will come, they are guarding them. Okay, they are also the discipline. As you know, these animals have also a kind of discipline that has been prevailing in these desert habitats or particular places. Okay. So that is why it's just been expressed in this content that they had characteristics, they had features that are totally different. They are totally different. The conditions, the prevailing conditions are that of harsh, as you know, but the characteristics are different. There is one more another animal which lives in the desert is the camel. As you know, camels were first domesticated by people many thousand years ago. In the wild, camels usually live in small groups up to 30 animals. Camels have long, shaggy winter coats to keep warm and shorter. A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water. One camel who is thirsty, he can take, as you know, 30 gallons, not a joke, 30 gallons of water. That is about 500 full glasses. 500 full glasses. As you know, we as human beings, we can take 1, 2, 3 glasses, okay? Or 1 kg, for example. 500 glasses, not a joke. One camel can take 500 glasses of water, as it's 30 gallons of water. That's about 500 full glasses. In just 10 minutes. In just 10 minutes. In just 10 minutes, a camel can take 500 glasses of water. Normally, however, it gets all the moisture it needs from desert plants and can survive for 10 months without drinking any water at all. This camel can also it can survive for 10 months without taking water. This is actually, look, dear students, is actually the characteristics of the features of these desert animals that are living in the harsh conditions, that are living in very what I mean is not moderate atmosphere there. It is extreme conditions. Whether it is hot, whether it is cold, or we can say little water is available there. Okay. So if we talk of camels, there are humps at the back. So two types of camels. One is dromedary and second one is bacterian. Dromedary has one camel at the back. Hump at the back. And when we talk of bacterian, two humps at the back. Okay. You got it? Dear students, we will just understand. We'll just is being just. I think the time is over. We can extend this lecture in the next class, inshallah tomorrow, and we'll talk about other characteristics that are there in desert. And thank you.